Hello guys, this is Donut Kid Surprise. It's milk and chocolate flavor. Let's open it with scissors. Okay guys, let's try to open it now. I got it. Okay, this is it guys. Here's the spoon. It looks so weird. Kind of like a fish. And this is also way harder to open. Let's try the chocolate. Open it. Whoa, look at that. This is more harder to open than the Kinder Joy. Is this the spot where I should like do that, or is this the spot? I think it's this side. Let's try a giant ball.
Yummy?
Yum.
Kakao. Yummy?
Yummy.
What's the name of this one? Donut Kid Surprise. Go-nut. Okay. It looks like Kinder Joy.
Yeah. Dry melts very fast.
That one.
It's not melting that fast. Okay guys, this could be a decoration in a fish tank. Okay, so let's open it. Yep. Okay guys, let's open it. Woo!
What's that?
Basketball.
Ang basketball.
Yup, for boys.
That's for boys pala, but pink yung lagayan. Oh. But for boys yung laman.
Hey! I see the basketball.
With wheels under.
Why is it like this?
Okay. Say bye.
Bye. It's a scam.
It's a scam.